Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Barry. Welcome to the channel. Today, if you guys don't know, I'm in Germany and something special happened today. I got invited out to the Nurburgring here in Germany, and a fellow German F owner, first F owner that I've met out here, has invited me. And it's not just any regular RCF owner. It's a Track Edition RCF. One of 500, maybe less than 500. I don't know. Maybe somebody crashed it. It could be less than 500 now. But what I'm trying to say is that this thing is just immaculate. You take a look at this thing. Now, I'm gonna take advantage of this and compare my car to this Track Edition. We got Julius here, who is the owner. So, hi. Julius, tell us about your car. Tell us about your car.
Yeah, it's the RCF Track Edition. I got it in October last year. Okay. And yeah, I've done some laps around the Nurburgring, and it's perfect. I'm not planning to do any modifications because it's perfect how it is.
I think it's perfect the way it is too. It looks great.
Except the seat belts, but the rest stays stock, and I'm really happy about this car.
Let's start off in the back. Actually, let's start off with mine. I have a 2015 Lexus RCF, and I have the active wing, active spoiler, carbon fiber, and underneath forged. And I got a C-West lip. But if you look at the Track Edition one, man, look at that. With the F engraved, not really engraved, but like in there. It's crazy. Look at this wing though. And that's supposed to produce a lot more downforce than the active spoiler. That's pretty dope. But just look at the taillights though. Wow. When he was reversing, it was really nice. Mine, plain simple and boring. His, mine, expensive, peasant. One thing we both have in common is that he has a carbon fiber roof. I have a carbon fiber roof. Nothing much about that. Hey Julius, do you have TVD in yours or no?
No, it doesn't.
Oh, no TVD? Well, yep, no TVD, but I've got TVD right here.
I think that's for saving weight.
Saving weight, yeah, the differentials are a lot heavier. But look at the side skirt on this thing. Wow, carbon fiber. Look at this. And then look at this. Nothing. Plain and simple, peasant, expensive. Love it. But look at this too. Look at these carbon ceramic brakes. Oh my God. These are beautiful. These are huge. I wonder if they're bigger than mine. Well, my rims are 20-inch rims, but just look at the size of these things. His, mine. Just amazing. The new Track Edition gets like major styling points. Like, look at this. If I had this car, I would probably wrap this chrome right here a different color, but I can't do it with mine because look at this. I can't. Still works though. But it's just beautiful. Side by side comparison. Look at my mirrors. Look at his mirrors. It's folded in. Oh my goodness. And we can't forget the wheels on these things. Look at this. 19-inch wheels. Wow. By BBS, fully forged. I mean, they're aftermarket, but 20-inch Titan 7s. But just look at this thing. Look at this two-piece looking thing. Oh my God. This is amazing. Mine, his. It's just so much styling points right here. I think one of the best things about the RCF Track Edition is going to be the rear end. I like my rear end too because I did what I got to do to make it work. But I have Bears muffler guards, Bears muffler exhaust guards. Got myself a little homemade diffuser I built there. And I got the Rowan bumper extensions. For his, it looks like Lexus took like some pointers from like the styling points from the first generation and added to the second generation. Because if you look at this right here, I mean, if anything, I could probably just cut this and put a little vent there too. Same thing, different looks. Same thing, different looks. But when you look at that, wow, titanium tips, just amazing. So shiny, so shiny. But look at this, carbon fiber. That's amazing. Mine, arc exhaust. I like it. But you know, it's one thing he can't do on his, but I can do on mine. chassis mounted sucker. One cool thing about mine is that, well, I mean, I think it's cool. I changed these out to black, and his, well, mine is aluminum hood. This thing's carbon fiber, as we all know, and look at this. It just comes integrated into the hood. It's just, wow. Just wow. Everything about this car, just wow. Oh, look at the headlights. Oh, man. Anybody a fan of these? Or are you guys still a fan of those? Those or those? Those or those? Leave a comment below. Now, when we talk about Lexus, you can't not talk about the front grille. This is version 1, generation 1. Now, just look at the design, right? Look at that design. Now, look at this design. Look at that design. Similar and then different. Look at the front bumper on this thing. Wow. You'll see that this right here too is also different. Just look at the styling of that right there. Look at the styling of that. It's so different. And then look at mine. Yep. I feel like I covered enough of the exterior. I mean, I could show you guys one lap around the cars just to compare, but overall, I think this looks a lot more expensive. This looks pleasant. Just amazing. Just amazing. Wow. I love the LED taillights. It's awesome. When he reverses, it's awesome. But just like look at this side splitter. Wow. I think one thing I should show you guys, which is something I just learned just by looking at it. You won't know this until you actually have this parked side by side, but if you take a look at this, now this is curved in. I mean, it's kind of hard to see it, but it's black, but it's curved in. Mine, not curved in. This, curved in, which is pretty unique. Unique features. So, don't give me any crap for this, but I drove 4.5 hours, maybe 5 hours to meet Julius and this Lexus RCF Track Edition. But now that we're done with the exterior, we're gonna go with the interior. Let's go with mine. What do you see? Red, 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 more red, red, red stitching, red button, red, right, red. I mean, you guys already know what it looks like, but look at the Track Edition. Super red. Mine is red. This is just super red. Look at the clock differences. Look at the steering wheel. Look at the pin. Look at the stripe on this thing. Oh my God. His is fully red. I like that. That's awesome too. That's nice. The back, yep. I mean, as you can see, he's got leather and he's got Alcantara or suede, whichever. But just look at that. I want one of those. Mine is all just leather. It's okay. Still nice though from far away. I got red stitching on mine. But he's got like just the more OEM plus it is, the more the OEM it looks, nicer in my opinion. But this is awesome. And very nice touch with the sparkle seatbelts because he actually tracks it. He's probably the only Track Edition owner that I know of that actually puts the name to use, Track Edition. Which is why we're here in Nurburgring, Nordschleife, here in Germany. Oh, did I forget to mention that he's got red carpets? Wow. And he's got red carbon fiber. Look at these door cards. Just amazing. And then you got mine. And then you have mine. It's cool. I like it still. Look at this. This is definitely a pricey interior compared to this. All right, Julius, I think it's time. I think everyone wants to know what it's like underneath the hood. Yeah. People want to see underneath. If you don't know, you open the hood just like a regular RCF. Wow. Look how new it is. You've got a little tag telling service at this time. Oh, no pink coolant loss. You know it's new when the brake fluid is like newest new. Just amazing. You guys are all probably like, okay, it's enough the engine. We already know what the engine looks like. It looks like a regular RCF engine. Okay, you guys want to look at the hood, right? Yep, here we go. Carbon fiber. No, wait. Forged carbon fiber. Just, wow. Everything's the same. Everything's the same, but except for this. Okay, now it's time for me to bust up my hood. That way we can compare everything. Funny thing, I didn't even know I locked it, but oh well. Here we go. And wham! I got my art panda. But anyways, let's compare. So it's still got the blue intake runners. You can see it there. No change in color. Everything is pretty much the same. Intake is all the same. Only thing different for me is, like, you know, our racing parts here and there, here. You know my car's old when the fluid's all dirty. Super dirty. But yeah, this is mine. This is his. Man, I haven't seen a stock engine in forever. It's cool. I like it. But you know what? Somehow this car is making, I don't know what, mine's like 467 horsepower for 2015 Lexus RCF. The Track Edition is like what, 471? Somehow making 4 to 5 extra horsepower. There's gotta be something in there, or in there. Gotta be. Aluminum. Carbon fiber. Forged carbon fiber. Man, I can't stop looking at this. This is beautiful. Texture, it's very smooth. Yep. Outside view, that looks beautiful. And my outside view. All right, Julius, what is your favorite part about your Track Edition? There's gotta be a favorite part.
Favorite part?
For me, I'm gonna say it's the weight reduction. One, because with a 5.0 V8, right, with a 5.0 V8 and a heavy body, it's not really gonna do anything. That 5.0 V8 is practically like nothing. So the fact that you have like a lighter body, I don't know what they did. Either the active wing is gone, or it was like the differential or some other stuff. But just the fact that all that is like weight reduction, your car is definitely should be faster than mine. So, but what is your favorite part?
I think it's how the carbon fiber parts are made.
Oh yeah,
like
all the carbon fiber parts.
So
I agree.
It's not easy to manufacture, and
no, it's not.
It's perfectly, and everything fits.
Oh
and,
yeah.
It really looks good, and I think the carbon fiber parts are my favorite thing.
I think so too. You know, because I'm in Germany, I should get me one of these. Me? Just to show you how peasant I am. Zip ties. But hey, they still work. I'm still here in Germany. I'm still here. I met him up, so. But yeah, this car is beautiful. 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 Wow. Let's get more look of the rear. More looks of the rear. Oh, actually, did I forget to mention this? It's like a black chrome, shadow chrome, something like that. For me, I had to like wrap this thing. But man, look at the differences. His mine. I've got a lot of imperfections on my car, but hey, that's what happens when you ship the car from the United States to Germany and it's at 96,000 miles. He's at 11,000 miles, so you can see the wear and tear. But hey, at least he's driving his car. I'm driving my car. I love the fact that he's driving his car, and then we met up here. So this is to me, it's a once in a lifetime opportunity to actually see a Track Edition. I don't know of anybody that owns a Track Edition until now. Hey Julius, don't forget, you're almost due for service. Yep. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm here with Julius, I'm here at Nurburgring, so we're gonna try to get like a few laps in here at Nurburgring while everybody's waiting around. This is the world's greatest car show. I'm just glad that there's a Generation 1 and Generation 2 out here. And I'm just glad that I was able to even see a Lexus RCF Track Edition. So, please like, comment, subscribe. Please follow him on Instagram if you want to see more Track Edition that's actually driven. It's going to be on, all I see on his Instagram is always him driving his car, which is amazing. How it should be. So, other than that, alright guys, please like, comment, subscribe. See you next video. Peace.